Cancer loves acid. Cancer also loves no oxygen.
The number of cancer cases is expected to skyrocket to over 35 million by 2050. But did you know that certain everyday foods can help starve cancer cells? Stick around to discover these surprising cancer-fighting foods you might already be eating. Imagine your body as a battleground where cancer cells thrive in acidic, low-oxygen conditions. Eating alkaline foods changes this, making your body less friendly for these cells. By balancing your pH with the right foods, you make it harder for cancer cells to grow and thrive. Let's check out the top 8 amazing foods that stop the growth of cancer cells. Number 3 on this list will definitely surprise you. And as a bonus, this video includes 2 effective tips to beat cancer proposed by Dr. Barbara O'Neill. Number 8. Tomatoes. Research suggests that tomatoes may help protect against prostate cancer.
When you cook the tomato with an oil, and I think you'll agree with me, olive oil and tomatoes go very nice. They almost hand in hand together.
This juicy red fruit contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects your cell's DNA from damage. Additionally, processed tomato products like sauce or paste increase lycopene absorption, making whole wheat pasta with marinara sauce a tasty cancer-fighting option. Studies have shown that both raw and cooked tomatoes, as well as tomato sauce, can reduce the risk of prostate cancer. To boost your intake, add tomatoes to sandwiches, salads, sauces, or pasta dishes daily. The versatility of tomatoes makes them an easy addition to any meal plan. Number 7. Lemons from the Rutaceae family are a spicy addition to your meals and an influential associate in cancer prevention.
And you might be surprised to see that the first alkaline food I'm putting up here is the humble lemon, and you might say, no, the lemon's acid. It is.
Rich in vitamin C and phytochemicals, lemons offer powerful antioxidant support for your immune system and help fight cancer. Lemons' benefits extend beyond their vitamin C. Their peel, high in D-limonene, has been shown to combat cancer in studies. This bitter substance helps dry out excess mucus and creates an environment less friendly to cancer cells. Regular consumption of citrus fruits like lemons is connected to a reduced risk of stomach cancer. Although acidic, lemons become alkaline once broken down in the gut. They are rich in alkaline minerals like sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and iron. These minerals are absorbed into the blood and tissues and may help balance your body's pH levels, supporting overall health. Research using lemon and ginger combinations has also shown remarkable results in cancer cell suppression. In this regard, mice treated with this mix showed a significant tumor reduction of 32.8% and fewer tumor developments, highlighting its potential as a supporting cancer therapy. Including lemons in your diet, whether fresh, as juice, or in dressings, provides significant health benefits and helps prevent cancer. Number 6. Whole grains. Whole grains like oats, brown rice, and whole wheat bread contain nutrients that may lower cancer risk.
For your grains, the millet is alkaline. I'm sure you can understand when I said it needs to be dressed. It's basically a bland grain, but it's very nice with the stewed apple and the pear cream and the sprinkles on top. Or it's also very nice if you have it with savory, your lentils.
According to the American Institute for Cancer Research, these foods contain fiber and antioxidants, and eating 6 ounces of whole grains daily can lower the risk of colorectal cancer by 21%. Not to mention, these grains are low glycemic index carbohydrates, meaning they help maintain steady blood sugar levels and avoid fat storage. They also provide essential nutrients such as manganese, B vitamins, and selenium, which support the immune system and fight cancer. Moreover, whole grains contain beta-glucan, which strengthens the immune system, and plant lignans, which ensure protection against hormone-sensitive cancers. Research shows that consuming whole grains can lower cancer risk by 6 to 12%, with fiber from these foods linked to a 7% reduction in colorectal cancer risk for every additional 10 grams consumed. Indulging entire grains in your daily diet is a simple way to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, further decreasing cancer risk. Number 5. Legumes. Legumes, which are often forgotten, are great at helping prevent cancer.
Lima beans and lentils and soy are the 3 alkaline-forming legumes.
Beans such as pinto and red kidney beans pack a punch with antioxidants and fiber, essential for a cancer-fighting diet. The American Cancer Society highlights their importance, noting that dietary fiber present in legumes, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds is likely associated with a reduced risk of colorectal cancer and lower chances of weight gain or obesity. However, this fiber is also associated with a lowered risk of some cancers, such as breast cancer. Studies show that diets rich in bean fiber can reduce breast cancer risk by 20%. Speaking of its properties, beans are rich in cancer-fighting substances like protease inhibitors, which may slow tumor growth, and phytates, which can help prevent or slow certain cancers. They also contain manganese, which supports cell protection, and antioxidants like camphorol and quercetin, which offer anti-inflammatory benefits. To get the most benefits, eat beans cooked to avoid lectins, which can irritate the stomach. Legumes are budget-friendly, adaptable, and rich in nutrients and plant compounds that boost health. Number 4. Nuts.
The 2 nuts are your almond and Brazil.
Nuts are more than just a tasty snack. They're potent weapons in cancer prevention. The AICR highlights walnuts as particularly effective due to a substance called pedunculagon. This compound is turned into urolithins in the body, which can bind to estrogen receptors and help prevent breast cancer. In a 2019 study, women with breast cancer ate walnuts between their biopsy and surgery for 2 weeks. The researchers found promising signs of genetic changes that could indicate a reduction in cancerous cell growth. In addition, nuts like almonds and Brazil nuts also have significant benefits. Almonds are rich in alpha-tocopherol, vitamin E, and Brazil nuts are packed with selenium, which could inhibit cancer cell growth. Also, it supports antioxidant enzymes, but should be consumed in moderation to avoid toxicity. Despite this, nuts contain phytocompounds like flavonoids and phenolic acids that enhance antioxidant and anti-inflammatory defenses. Whether you enjoy them raw, toasted, or as part of a meal, nuts are a nutritious choice that can promote overall health and help combat cancer. Number 3. Vegetables.
Vegetables have an alkaline effect. This is the nightshade group of vegetables, and for some people they have an acid effect, and for some people they have an alkaline effect.
Do you know that the vegetables you enjoy daily are a cornerstone of a healthy diet? Whether raw in salads or cooked in your favorite dishes, they are tasty and act like cancer prevention pills. Sounds amazing, right? Let's see how they work that way. First, it's essential to understand that not all vegetables have the same effects on the body. For example, some vegetables like tomatoes, bell peppers, eggplants, and potatoes belong to the nightshade family. These can sometimes have an acidic effect on some people, though they are also packed with nutrients. Tomatoes, often mistaken for vegetables, are fruits. They're rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that helps fight cancer and heart disease while providing vitamins A, C, and E. Similarly, bell peppers, another nightshade, are loaded with antioxidants and add a nutritious crunch to your meals. Further, eggplants, with their deep purple skin, offer manganese and anthocyanins, which protect your skin from oxidative stress. Despite their carbohydrate content, potatoes provide essential nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. On the other hand, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts are excellent cancer fighters. They contain compounds that protect cells from damage, help slow tumor growth, and promote the death of cancer cells. These veggies are rich in indole 3-carbinol, known for its cancer-fighting properties. Adding a variety of vegetables into your diet and paying attention to how they affect your body to support your health and fight cancer. Number 2. Fatty fish, especially oily ones like salmon, tuna, and anchovies, are rich in protein and nutrients, especially vitamin D, and one of the highest sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Fish helps overcome inflammation and protect against cancers like breast and colorectal cancer. Vitamin D deficiency raises the risk of skin and breast cancer. Sunlight helps your body make vitamin D, lowering the risk of colorectal, breast, and prostate cancers by 30% to 50%. Vitamin D also helps with calcium absorption and supports the immune, muscle, and nervous systems. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and anchovies are rich in B vitamins, potassium, and omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s can help protect against breast and colorectal cancer. Salmon ceviche, especially with sockeye salmon, grants anti-inflammatory benefits, vitamin D, and antioxidants, making it a nutritious cancer-fighting option. Fish's cancer-fighting properties work by causing tumor cells to die through oxidation. DHA and omega-3 overpowers and kills tumor cells. As per researchers, mice on a DHA-rich diet had slower tumor growth compared to a regular diet. Consuming fish in your regular diet is healthy and provides a wealth of nutrients with remarkable cancer-fighting properties. Number 1. Dark green, leafy vegetables.
Dark green leafy vegetables we should be eating every day. That's your kale, that's your parsley.
Leafy greens like spinach, lettuce, and kale are rich in antioxidants like beta-carotene and lutein. Studies suggest these nutrients might help slow the growth of specific cancer cells. These dark greens are rich in folate, a vitamin important for DNA formation and repair. Proper DNA function is essential because abnormalities can turn normal cells into cancerous ones. What's more, dark green leafy vegetables also provide a wealth of carotenoids, which act as antioxidants. These antioxidants enhance the body's defenses against harmful free radicals that can damage DNA and lead to cancer. For example, kale's high vitamin C content is an antioxidant and helps inhibit cancer-causing substances. Moreover, these vegetables contain chlorophyll and its derivatives, which can trap harmful substances like aflatoxins and other mutagens. In various studies, chlorophyll has been shown to have protective effects against carcinogens. Folate in these greens is vital for DNA synthesis and methylation, particularly for rapidly growing tissues. Spinach, for instance, is known for its high antioxidant content, which can inhibit cancer cell growth. The AICR recommends consuming at least 2 to 3 cups of vegetables daily to reduce cancer risk. These vegetables contain nutrients that may lower cancer risk and help diminish sugary processed foods. Now is the turn for Dr. Barbara's 2 most effective tips regarding fighting cancer. The first tip is sunshine. She believes that spending time in the sun is critical because sunlight provokes vitamin D production, which is essential for our body. Surprisingly, she argues that a lack of sun exposure, not too much sun, contributes to skin cancer. The second tip is to avoid fruit for 6 weeks. This might sound odd, but Dr. Barbara explains that cancer cells grow on glucose, which is abundant in fruits. By cutting out fruit, you deprive cancer cells of their favorite food, causing them to self-destruct. These 2 contrasting tips highlight different strategies for battling cancer. Now, which of these foods will you add to your diet? Let us know in the comments section. And if you found this video interesting and informative, do check out another relevant video shown on your screen.